Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and you're here at Brown and Confident. Today we're starting the Sisterlocks series. Like, it's long overdue, but y'all, I needed some time with my locks, okay? We just hit a year. My install was the 6th and the 7th of August last year, and I ended up with 342 locks, and I've gained some along the way, but we'll definitely get into that. Let's get into the video. Growing up natural, mama pressed my hair, rolled my hair, mama put the panty bonnet on my head. If you know, you know, right? From 2003 to 2017, it was all perm. I was putting that lie in my hair faithfully. Let's get some water. Y'all grab your wine, grab your water. Okay, so from 2003 to 2017, I was using that lie. I was into that relaxer. I wanted the silky soft thinker. December, I think it was December 17. I'm gonna put the dates on the screen, right? Because yeah. And I wanted to change for Christmas. I knew that I was coming into a new year. I wanted to get ready and went natural and cut off all my dead ends from, you know, just a little bit. I didn't do too much. I cut off what I could, right? My hair grew. It grew so much. The twist outs and wash and goes were lovely. I love doing it. I love seeing my hair. I was very dedicated to my hair once a week. Or if I was hurting every 2 weeks, I was washing my hair, I was detangling my hair, I was in the shower, I was clay masking it, and I was doing all this stuff to it, y'all. And product after product after product, watching YouTube videos, wanting to try what the girls try, and it just began to be too much on my back, too much on my hips. I needed a change. I was tired of detangling, and I was tired of getting one step down or feeling like you have gotten one thing down and then the season change and then you need a new product and your hair is drier. You got to figure out why. You got to do a clay mask and apple cider vinegar rinse. And y'all, I'm so simple. I don't want to do all that. So I knew locks was always the end goal for me. So it was just time for me to start researching and get to it. That's what I did. I looked up YouTube video after YouTube video, figured out what type of locks I wanted. I knew it was in between Sisterlocks and Microlocks, and I knew they were one and the same, but I decided to go with Sisterlocks because having that insurance security on your hair, so to say, that if something goes wrong, you have a corporation behind you that can look at your hair and assess and make sure that the loctician is dealt with, so to say. But after doing research, I didn't really care if they were Sisterlocks or Microlocks. So I ended up going on to the Sisterlock website and looking at the directory, looking at who was around me, sending them an email and saying, hey, can you send me pictures of your work? You know, and they would send me all pictures, and then I end up picking the ones that I want to go to. So going on to the consultation, I went to 2 consultations, 2 different people, and I got 4 to 5 tester locks, different sizes and pricings and everything. And I decided to go with Rasheen. Hey girl, if you're watching this, from the moment I sat in her chair, she was honest and she was gentle and she was patient. I love everything about her. We just clicked and I knew she was the right loctician for me. So my advice on that, go with your gut, you know what I'm saying? How do you feel when you walk in? Do you like their establishment? Do you like their personality? Are they making you feel comfortable? Are their prices reasonable? Did they have a portfolio for you to see? I got my tester locks, as y'all can see on the screen, and I was just so excited. I was so ready. I got my install done. It was 22 hours over the course of 2 days, and it wasn't bad at all, y'all. So many movies, so many series. I was watching Sisters. If y'all know Tyler Perry, I be on that. Even though they be dragging them episodes out, they're still my jam, right? I had so much fun, and a lot of people ask me, like, what did you pack? I didn't really pack anything. You know how people be like, oh, I had to pack all this stuff. Now, if you work, you do have to bring your laptop and stuff like that, your extension cord, all your plugins for work, maybe a pillow, maybe an ice pack if you got back problems, hip problems, some wine if you jazzy, meals, your snacks, your drinks, make sure you bring all that. But other than that, there wasn't nothing that I needed. I just needed a chair, I needed my food, and I needed TV, and that's it. Got my install done, and I was looking fly. Y'all see me Looking like a plucked chicken. But when you do your research, you already know you're gonna look like a plucked chicken at first, but you're gonna fill out. I mean, look at me. You're gonna fill out, sis. It's okay. Calm down. Stop overthinking it. Stop waiting. Just do it. Okay, so a lot of people want to know how much should you pay for your install. My whole install with everything that I paid $800. Now I love my loctician because I asked her, hey, what's the difference between micro locks and Sisterlocks as far as the price? She said nothing. So I just went with what I wanted to go with. I was just like, all right, sister, lock me up then, grid me up. She made it do what it do. Okay, now I currently get reties every like 5 to 7 weeks. I pay $150 and that's including a wash. And it takes 3 hours. It's quick. And you know, she makes it comfortable to where you can bring your drinks, you can bring your snacks, you can bring your work stuff, you can work through your reties. And it's a fabulous experience. Her salon is just so nice. Anyway, I am now 1 year and I've had 10 reties and I am loving it. I just wanted to kind of break down that journey for you guys. There's going to be more to come, but I wanted to let you know where I started and why I started this Sisterlock journey. I feel like you have to do what is best for you and your hair and your lifestyle needs. I feel like Sisterlocks is best for people who don't want to fool with their hair or are tired of products and has a lot of strain on their hands and their back. And if you need a break and you need something that's going to grow your hair, this is it. I have a short video on my shorts tab. I post videos every day, y'all. Go ahead and visit my shorts tab. I posted a video on 5 misconceptions about Sisterlocks and go check that out, y'all. It may answer some of your questions that you may be having, but I feel like Sisterlocks has been the best decision I've ever made, the best $800 I've ever cashed in. Like, comment down below if you have any questions or if there's any videos that you maybe want to see going forward. I wanted to sit in it for a while and look at the changes and document everything. I have a blog that's up right now on my website, brownandconfident.com. If you have not seen that, go ahead and check that out. You can shop some of my styles. You can look at my blog, and also you can see a lot of pictures from me that may or may not be on my social media. So go ahead and check that out. But if there's anything that you want to see, go ahead and drop it in the comments. We are growing, ready to get to 1,000. And these watch hours definitely need to go up. Y'all need y'all to watch my long form content. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for coming back to my video. My name is Rachel. And if you like videos like this, comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And join it with the Confident crew. We would love to have you. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.